Struggling with poor sleep, snoring, or waking up feeling less than refreshed? Imagine if one simple change could transform your nights and boost your overall health. Mouth taping, a technique pioneered by Russian doctor Konstantin Buteyko in the early 90s, is now being embraced by world-renowned biohackers, professional athletes, and millions of people like you. This method, known as the Buteyko method, focuses on the power of nose breathing during sleep. Easy tape mouth tapes are the ultimate solution for effortless nose breathing. After 12 months of meticulous development, we've perfected our design with a unique fabric, adhesive, and shape to make nose breathing easy and comfortable. Just one strip before bed can lead to deeper REM sleep, reduced snoring, a lower resting heart rate, improved facial structure, increased nitric oxide levels, better oral health, and fresher morning breath.